Have you ever looked at the clock and seen 11:11, whether in the morning or at night, and felt that instant surge of energy? Maybe it was a fleeting moment, but something inside you seemed to whisper, "This means something." Or perhaps you've noticed that on November 11th, the air feels different, charged with something intangible. But what if I told you that there's a cosmic doorway hidden in plain sight, and November 11th, 11:11, holds the key to unlocking it? In this video, we're diving deep into the 11:11 gateway, exploring how it works, why it's so powerful, and how you can harness its energy to create real, lasting change in your life. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to tap into something that can shift your entire reality. The 11:11 portal is more than just a random number or an interesting synchronicity. It's an energetic doorway, an opening that allows you to access higher realms of consciousness, align with your deepest soul purpose, and begin manifesting your desires in the most profound way. This portal is always available to us, but on November 11th, the cosmic energies around this date create an amplified access point. The universe seems to conspire to help us step into a higher frequency, and it's up to us whether or not we choose to walk through that doorway. But here's the catch: this gateway is only truly available to you if you understand its power and how to use it. So, what exactly is the 11:11 gateway? And how can you use it to transform your life? The hidden power of 11:11, a gateway to the divine. To truly grasp the transformative power of the 11:11 gateway, it's essential to understand the profound spiritual meaning encoded in the numbers themselves. In numerology, the number 11 is known as a master number, a designation reserved only for numbers with exceptionally high vibrations. Master numbers are believed to carry intense spiritual energy, and among them, 11 stands out as one of the most spiritually charged. It symbolizes an energetic doorway, a powerful threshold between our physical world and the higher unseen realms. It represents that sacred in-between, a bridge from the familiar to the unknown, where you can connect with your higher self and the divine, gaining insights that transcend ordinary experience. When we encounter 11:11, a mirrored sequence of this master number, it's like witnessing a cosmic portal come alive. Picture two pillars standing side by side, like a double doorway that's both inviting and mysterious. This alignment of numbers represents a powerful invitation to step out of ordinary reality and into a higher, more awakened state of being. Through this portal, we can access heightened levels of awareness, deeper spiritual insight, and even moments of divine clarity that are otherwise hidden in the rush of daily life. Essentially, 11:11 is a call to shift our consciousness and align with our highest potential. And when you see 11:11 on the clock, it's not just a coincidence or a quirky moment of synchronicity. It's a signal from the universe, a gentle nudge or reminder that a door is open, and all you need to do is choose to walk through it. It's the universe's way of saying, "Pay attention. This is a moment of opportunity." But here's something even more fascinating. This portal is not limited to a single experience or one specific date. The 11:11 gateway is accessible anytime you see this sequence. However, on November 11th, 11 elements, there's an amplified surge of energy that heightens the portal's power. This state acts like a cosmic amplifier, allowing for an even deeper connection and a clearer channel to higher realms. You can think of November 11th as a moment when the energetic veil is thinnest, making it easier to connect with our soul's truth, receive divine guidance, and align with our truest path. Ultimately, the 11:11 gateway is a continual, universal invitation, a pathway that's always open, encouraging us to tune into our inner selves, connect with the divine, and remember the vast, unlimited potential we carry within. This gateway serves as a reminder of the support and guidance that's always available to us, inviting us to awaken to a more profound experience of life. But why is it that 1111 feels so significant? If you've ever caught sight of these numbers and felt your heart skip a beat, or had the instinct to make a wish, you're not alone. That's the subtle pull of this gateway, calling you to connect more deeply with your soul's purpose. On November 11th, the 1111 portal amplifies your ability to access your deepest truths. It's an opportunity to align with the highest aspects of your being and receive divine guidance. It's a chance to connect with a higher vibration, and in doing so, you shift your energy to align with the reality you want to create. Now, if you're ready to take this energy shift even further and begin attracting huge financial abundance effortlessly starting today, check out the link in the comments below. Right now, millions are discovering the shocking wealth secrets shared by a rogue NASA scientist, an approach that's already changed so many lives. But be warned, this opportunity won't be around forever, so don't miss out. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part of this, the transformation you can experience by walking through this gateway. A doorway to manifestation and spiritual growth. November 11th is a special moment in time because it holds the potential for profound manifestation. The 1111 portal opens the door to an energetic frequency that aligns you with your desires, whether that's love, abundance, career growth, or spiritual awakening. This is how it works. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about becoming a vibrational match to what you want to attract. You see, everything in the universe is made up of energy. Your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs, and even the things around you. And just like tuning an instrument, you must align your own frequency with the reality you wish to create. On 1111, this process is supercharged. The energy is ripe for shifting your vibration and raising it to match the frequency of your highest desires. If you've ever wondered why you can't manifest something, it might be because your energy isn't fully aligned with what you're seeking. When you enter this portal, you have a golden opportunity to clear out any blockages and raise your vibration, making you an energetic match for the things you truly desire. Here's where it gets even more exciting. By stepping through the 1111 gateway, you're not just manifesting things like wealth or a new job. You're aligning with a higher timeline. This is a timeline that is more in tune with your soul's purpose. It's the timeline where everything you've dreamed of becomes possible, where the right opportunities align effortlessly, and where your deepest desires unfold with ease. But to access this timeline, you need to do some inner work. You can't just think about the future you want. You need to feel it, embody it, and believe that it's already yours. And this is where the true power of the 1111 portal lies. It's not just a fleeting moment of manifestation. It's a chance to transform your entire trajectory, to step into the highest version of yourself, and begin walking that path with confidence and clarity. The inner gateway, connecting to your higher self. While the outer manifestations of the 1111 gateway, like enhanced opportunities, synchronicities, and external changes, are exciting, the most transformative shift truly happens within. Stepping through the 1111 portal isn't just about unlocking new possibilities in your outer world. It's about embracing a powerful inner journey. It's a sacred invitation to deepen your relationship with your soul, to look within, and to connect with the divine on a profound, personal level. This inner journey is what makes the 1111 gateway such a sacred, pivotal moment. As we pass through this portal, we're not just setting intentions for outer manifestations, we're awakening to our truest selves. The 1111 gateway offers a rare opportunity to commune with your higher self, your soul's purest essence. In this space, you can tap into your inner wisdom and experience a profound sense of inner peace, clarity, and purpose. By aligning with your soul's truth, you create a natural harmony between your inner world and the outer reality you are striving to manifest. In essence, This connection acts as a foundation, a source of strength and clarity that guides you forward. This process is profoundly empowering. It's a journey of clearing out the mental clutter, the outdated patterns, and the limiting beliefs that have held you back. It's about letting go of fears, doubts, and insecurities that have kept you playing small. Old wounds and traumas that no longer serve your highest good come to the surface, inviting you to release them, heal, and transform. As you move through this process of release, you free up energetic space within yourself, space that can then be filled with love, abundance, and divine guidance. This process of letting go is often one of the greatest gifts of the 1111 Gateway. It enables you to clear away the barriers that prevent you from stepping fully into your power and potential. Ultimately, this inner transformation makes you a clear channel for divine energy. By connecting with your higher self, you open yourself to a flow of insight, intuition, and purpose that enriches your life in ways that go far beyond the material. You become receptive to the messages from your soul and the wisdom of the universe, gaining a deepened sense of trust in yourself and in the journey ahead. The 1111 Gateway is more than just a portal to external change. It's a pathway to self-discovery and soul alignment, allowing you to step into a reality filled with purpose, fulfillment, and connection. And let's talk about that divine guidance for a moment. One of the most beautiful aspects of the 1111 Gateway is the access it gives you to higher realms of consciousness. When you step into this portal, you're not alone. You are surrounded by divine support. Archangels, spirit guides, ancestors, and your higher self are all available to you, ready to offer guidance and support on your journey. This support is always there, but on 1111 it's amplified. You can tune into it more easily, receive more clarity, and feel more connected to the divine wisdom that's available to you. And all you need to do is ask. The universe is waiting for you to take that first step through the doorway. The importance of gratitude and feeling into your desires. As you move through the 1111 Gateway, one of the most transformative tools at your disposal is gratitude. Gratitude is more than just a pleasant feeling. It's a powerful, energetic force that elevates your vibration and aligns you with the life you want to create. When you enter this high vibrational state, you're not just aligning with your desires in thought alone. You're immersing yourself in the emotional and energetic experience of already having them. This is crucial because manifestation is not simply about wishing. It's about embodying the energy of your desires and becoming a true vibrational match for them. Gratitude acts as a bridge to this vibration. As you focus on all that you're already thankful for, your energy shifts into a state of abundance and fulfillment. You're no longer coming from a place of want or lack, but from a place of having and being. Instead of just wishing for something in the future, gratitude allows you to experience the joy, love, and abundance of your dreams right now. This shift in perspective not only raises your frequency, but also strengthens your belief in the possibility of your desires, deepening your alignment with them. The magic of gratitude lies in its ability to make you feel as though your dreams are already unfolding. Take a moment to visualize your dreams coming true, not as distant hopes, but as a present reality. Allow yourself to feel the fullness of that vision. Imagine the joy, the excitement, and the peace that will come when your goals are achieved. Let that feeling expand within you, filling your heart and mind. As you do, you align more powerfully with the energy of what you seek. You're no longer just a dreamer. You're actively becoming a creator, aligning your frequency with the reality you wish to manifest. As you journey through the 1111 Gateway, you may experience flashes of insight, sudden inspiration, or unexpected clarity. These aren't random. They are moments of divine guidance, gentle nudges from the universe, pointing you toward your true path. Trust in these messages and trust yourself. Sometimes they may come in the form of an idea, an intuition, or a subtle knowing that feels right in your heart. Embrace these signs as they are guiding you toward the life you were always meant to live. And so, as we stand on the threshold of this cosmic gateway, let's take a moment to anchor into this energy. Feel the gratitude that surrounds you for both the journey that brought you here and the future that awaits. Allow this sense of appreciation to expand, filling you with a renewed sense of purpose and alignment. When you hold this energy close, you activate the true power of the 1111 gateway, the power to become the highest version of yourself and to manifest your dreams from a place of love, abundance, and unwavering belief. Let this be your moment. Step forward in gratitude and watch as the universe responds in ways beyond your wildest imagination. In conclusion, this 1111 gateway is an opportunity for you to step into your power, align with your soul's purpose, and begin manifesting the life you truly desire. It's a chance to claim your new beginning, a fresh start on a path of abundance, love, and spiritual growth. The universe is ready to support you. All you need to do is step through the door. Thank you for being here today. I hope this video has helped you unlock the power of the 1111 portal and given you the tools to start manifesting your dreams. If you're ready to dive even deeper into the 1111 experience, join me for a special activation meditation to guide you through this powerful gateway. You can find more information in the description box below. Until next time, remember, the universe is always speaking to you. The 1111 gateway is just one of the many ways it's inviting you to step into your highest potential. Stay blessed and aligned.